Best zippers are incredibly funny. A firm connection between two trees, or between two poster stalls can be a good time for the whole family. There are numerous zip wires available, but it's a smart idea to think things through when you get them. If you hunt them, you can also call them by chance elevated runways or flying foxes. There are many products available to choose zipline kits, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best zipline kits from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Zipline Kits for Backyard. Zipline Kit for kids and adults. Zipline Fun is the world's safest zipline. Ideal for thrill seekers, but safe enough for mom and dad. This top-of-the-line zipline delivers adrenaline pumping on every turf. With its 90 meters of exciting flying machine connection, and an easy-to-grab trolley, it's a solid piece of social affairs, family reunions, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. Ziplines for backyard. Kids and adults of all ages includes everything you need to get started. Enjoy ziplines for kids' outdoor parties or events. You simply attach it to a tree and transform your backyards. Your zipline kit will have your family enjoying plenty of outdoor fun. Number 2. Zipline Kit with Stainless Steel Spring Brake and Seat. The CTSC 95-foot zipline kit has to be my clear favorite. This kit offers a perfect balance of price, performance, and ease of setup. The 95 length is more than sufficient for small to big yards, and the 5 extra sling cable is big enough to wrap around most trees. Although the kit is rated to handle up 250 pounds weight, some reviewers mentioned that it could easily handle weights beyond the limit. That said, the kit is primarily designed for kids. The kit comes with a round seat that offers comfortable seating for the kids. The height of the seat can be easily adjusted using the rope knot. The handles are made of easy-to-grip, non-slip rubber for added safety. Also, the 5.3 stainless steel spring braking system ensures it doesn't come to a sudden halt at the end of the line. Are you having trouble fitting the zip line into your yard? The company can also make you a customized zip line. They're not happy until you are, and we love the commitment. The kit is covered under a 10-year limited warranty for any breakage or damage. Number 3. Tuzmima Zipline Kit for Backyards. Tuzmima ziplines are funny, protected, and easy to set up. With our comprehensive setup and security policies, you can instantly turn your patio into a sensational zipline. The completely rushed steel car is pre-stacked with a moving rope and a comfortable seat. The remote and comfortable elastic handles are screwed in the car to ensure a protected and fun ride. Bang ziplines make great gifts and certify sensational family time out there. The Backyard Zipline Kit is equipped with a lovely lotus leaf-shaped seat. Number 4. 90 Eagle Series Seated Zipline Kit. The build quality and performance of this kit is near similar to our top picks, while still being priced cheaper. The zipline is 90 long with 10 of sling length, and comes with a 5.25 spring compression system for gradual braking. The trolley is made of high-grade steel, and the seat is made ABS plastic, which is both durable and UV resistant. This zipline is easy to assemble. For 2 adults, it takes about an hour. It comes with all installation instructions and a special socket. No extra tools are required for the setup. Number 5. 150-foot Stainless Steel Blue Backyard Zipline Kit. The kit comes all-inclusive for everything you need to get going. Included in the kit is the main cable, tree protectors, trolley with non-slip handles, adjustable seat, rubber brake, hanging hardware, and installation booklet. The max weight capacity of this kit is 250 pounds, which should suffice for most kids and even adults. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.